Have you ever wondered what is this ball-like end seen on some of the quilling tools for? Today let me explain about what it is and how to use them in general and in paper quilling. Some of the quilling slotted tools have an additional ball-like tip on the other side, which is basically an embossing tool. As the name suggests, they are commonly used for embossing or dry embossing to be more specific. Do remember they can be used for even more other crafting purposes. These embossing tools are available in different sizes where the size of the ball is different, which gives different results while embossing. This colorful set has different sizes of balls on both the ends, and this next set is from another brand which has embossing tips on only one end. This next set is used for clay modeling or cake fondant modeling. Let me now show how to use them briefly. Take a sheet of thick foam and a sheet of vellum or parchment cardstock. These are translucent sheets made for crafting purposes. What I do is put the vellum over the foam, take an embossing tool and draw an image. You can draw free-handed or trace images or even stamp images to do this. If you would like to try this for card making, I have few videos on embossing and debossing. Do check them after this video. Now I take a bigger size embossing tool and fill in the inside of the heart which I just made. Do this gradually so you move or press the paper in slowly and don't break them. Here you can see the surface popping out, giving the embossed effect on the vellum. Next, I am going to do the same on paper. Be sure that your paper is thicker. Use at least a 140 GSM paper for better results. You can use these embossing on cards, scrapbooking and more. You can also use them with ruler or stencils to create different patterns. Apart from paper, they can be used in foam flower making and clay or even fondant making. Another purpose of them is making dot painting. The different sizes of ball heads provide different sizes of dots. For my quilling, I use this embossing tool for scoring and folding greeting card bases. I also use it to apply glue when closing a quilling coil. This is the most common purpose I use it for while quilling. And the next one is to mark a design or a letter to the cardstock or the quilling base for making your on-edge quilling works. They leave a depression so you know where your design goes. When we use pencil to draw our designs, it may be seen out after we finish quilling, even when the quilling is slightly off the lines. So using this embossing tool to trace gives a pro finish to your works. And if you know more other uses of this tool, do let me know in the comments. As I said earlier, do watch my card making tutorial with vellum embossing and debossing.